To get your garden bursting with instant colour this season, plant the low-maintenance petunias from the Floriana range and watch your garden come alive. The Floriana Fusion 6-packs are quality seedlings grown to a larger size, so they fill pots and gardens with colour faster. Perfect for the time-poor gardener or those who just want an instant hit of colour. The contrasting colours of Petunia Red and White make a bold statement, and if you plant them into terracotta pots, they give a hint of Tuscan style. Or let them spill over window boxes, trough planters or hanging baskets for a touch of French flair. For cascades of calming colour in your garden, plant Petunia Waterfall with blue, lilac and white blooms. With masses of flowers in these pretty cool colours, this petunia looks really great planted into white pots for a crisp and classic look. Pink and red are one of this year's hottest colour pairings, and you can take this trend from the catwalk to your garden with Petunia Red Vein. This excellent performer produces rich red-veined flowers that really make an impact. Make a bold statement by using single-coloured blooms this season. Look out for Petunia Rose with its eye-catching rose-pink flowers, or Petunia White for pure white and bright blooms that almost sparkle. All the petunias from the Floriana range love a full sun spot, and if you're growing them in pots, use a premium potting mix with the red ticks of quality.